Okay, guys, we're going to be doing the barbell deadlift. This is one of the harder lifts, so I'm going to go over the mechanics first. Hopefully I can explain everything real quick. So your feet are going to be shoulder width apart, so just like this. Okay, when you grab the bar, okay, you're going to grab the bar right outside your feet. Okay, so from this angle, it's going to look like this. Okay, first thing you do when you lift, you're going to tighten your lats. So right here, you're going to tighten that up, keeping your chest up, and then engage with the legs. You're going to go up, squeeze, back down, squeeze, okay? Keeping your feet slightly out, okay? Back down and up. Let me show you from this angle on the actual bar, okay? Your hands are right outside your legs, okay? Feet slightly out, butt down, chest up, and then engage your lats. See, okay, when I engage my lats, it kind of straightens my back, okay? Just like that. Squeeze. 1, 2, 3. Lats, chest up, up. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm never doing this, guys. So to correct that, I'm tightening the lats and putting my chest up. 1, 2, 3. That's the barbell deadlift.